Hello, I hope everyone's doing well. If you are new to my channel, this is not typically something I would post, but I felt it was important to get the word out. So I have a chart here in TradingView of the Dow Jones. And as you can see, we have got this rare megaphone pattern going on looking at the monthly view. And for every spike up, there is a retracement down. So this is a very scary chart right now. We are nearing the end of May. It's May 27th here. And we're at a high of nearly 34,500. And it looks like, just drawing this pattern, that we're looking at this going down to about, by the time it starts dropping, probably 15,000, which is very scary. If I get my measurement tool here, you can see that is about almost 60%, 57 to 60% change. I just wanted to put the word out and for you to be safe out there. If you have any investments, to get those into something that's safer, and be sure to speak with your financial advisor. I am definitely not an advisor, so I just wanted to let everyone know and to be warned. I know a lot of people have been talking about that this could happen, and a matter of when it's going to happen. And if we look at this last candle close as we near May, we are hovering right in the middle of this wick, which shows that there's indecisiveness in the market. So there's a wick from the sellers and a wick from the buyers. And it looks like this next candle for June is going to turn red. If we flip over to the volatility index, the VIX, you will see that we are at a 52-week low, and this candlestick is a red hammer. That means something big is about to happen, and we are looking at a red one. So that is a bullish signal, which is in the wrong direction for us. I just want everybody to be safe out there, and wish you the best of luck. So take care, everybody.